Gato Rainbow en la Gata Moon. The day Gato Rainbow celebrated his birthday. Today Gato Rainbow is very concentrated. Is he drawing? Hi Gato Rainbow! Tell us, how are you? What have you been doing this week? Oh, sorry, I forgot you don't talk. What are you doing? Birthday party, cake, balloons, music. You are planning a party, right? How cool! Well, keep going. Hello, Gato Moon! How are you? Did you know that Gato Rainbow is planning his birthday party? Oops, you didn't tell her? I'm sorry, Gato Rainbow. I forgot that Gato Moon gets too excited with parties. Gato Moon loves helping with parties, and when it's her brother's birthday, even more. Gato Rainbow, meanwhile, will make the cake with flour, sugar, milk, and eggs. Nobody said that decorating a party was easy. However, Gato Rainbow is doing great in the kitchen. Uh-oh, that's going to fall. Let's try now. Whoops, nope. There you go! If you look at your drawing, nothing can go wrong. Did you hold it upside down, Gato Rainbow? Oops, careful, Gato Moon! Where is she? Good job, Gato Moon. It looks amazing already. Gato Rainbow finally decided to make a simpler cake. Good idea! How cool! This will be the party of the year for Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon's friends. Well guys, you have everything ready! You make such a good team! This party has everything! Music and balloons, cake, lemonade, even a garland! Now the only thing it's missing are the guests. Let's wait for them! It's 5 o'clock and nobody has arrived yet. How strange! 5:20. Hey guys, did your friends know that the party was today? The invitations! They were never sent! You forgot the most important part of throwing a party. But it's all good, no worries. You can celebrate it with them some other day, and today you too can enjoy this awesome party. See you later, guys!